Introducing the Mazda RX-9 2025, a groundbreaking sports car set to redefine driving pleasure. This marvel of modern engineering combines Mazda's iconic rotary engine heritage with cutting-edge technology, promising to be a game-changer in its class. Starting with its exterior, the RX-9 boasts a sleek, aerodynamic profile that strikes a balance between elegance and aggression. Classic sports car proportions are complemented by minimalist design elements that embody Mazda's signature style. Every line and curve serves a purpose, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. Under the hood, the RX-9 is rumored to feature a revolutionary hybrid rotary engine, delivering exceptional performance with enhanced efficiency. Mazda's commitment to the rotary engine legacy continues, promising a modern twist that enthusiasts will appreciate. Inside, the RX-9 offers a luxurious and driver-focused cockpit. High-quality materials and a minimalist layout prioritize the driving experience, while a state-of-the-art infotainment system provides connectivity and entertainment without distraction. Performance-wise, the RX-9 is designed to be a powerhouse. A lightweight chassis and advanced suspension ensure exceptional handling and responsiveness. Safety features include adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, underscoring Mazda's dedication to driver safety. In conclusion, the Mazda RX-9 2025 represents the future of sports cars, blending heritage with innovation to deliver a thrilling driving experience unlike any other.